Hello everyone! Welcome to the English with Teacher Aziz channel. In this lesson, we are going to study the function of making and responding to requests. Let's have a look at these examples. Example number 1. Would you change your seat, miss? Okay, teacher. I'm sorry. Example 2. Mary, can we take a selfie? Yes, of course, Emma. Dialogue number 3. May I play football with my friends, Dad? Sorry, I'm afraid I have to say no. Analysis and discussion. In the first dialogue, the teacher asked the girl to change her seat. He used the expression, would you? He requested the girl to change her place. The girl answered, That's okay, teacher. She responded positively. She accepted his request. In the second dialogue, Emma asked Mary to take a selfie. So she made a request using can we. Mary accepted her request by using yes, of course. In the last dialogue, the boy asked his dad to play football with his friends. He used the expression, may I? The father didn't accept his request. He used the expression, I'm sorry, I have to say no. So let's have a look at some expressions of making requests. Please, can I, can you? Could I possibly? May I? Is it okay if I? Do you mind if I? Would you mind if I? Would you mind? Accepting request expressions. Yes, sure. Yes, of course. That's fine. Certainly. Go ahead. No problem. No, not at all. No, I don't mind, actually. Of course not. Refusing request expressions. Sorry, I'm afraid I have to say no. Oh, sorry, I can't. I just can't. I'm sorry. I'm afraid, but I can't. Certainly not. Sorry, but. Yes, I don't mind, actually. Things to remember about making requests. Would you mind is followed by gerund, which means verb plus ing. Example, would you mind opening the door? The response to the following request, would you mind lending me your calculator, is either no, I don't mind, which is positive response to the request. It means that I accept to lend you my calculator, or yes, which is a negative response to the request. It means that I don't want to lend you my calculator. Could is more formal than can. Thank you for your attention and see you in another video.